Where are we?
Where are we?
We are at the market.
We are at the market. It is very busy.
It is very busy. Yes, many people are here.
Yes, many people are here. What do we need?
What do we need? We need vegetables.
We need vegetables.
These look fresh.
These look fresh.
Yes, they look very good.
Yes, they look very good. How much is this? How?
Much is.
This?
Let's ask the seller.
Let us ask the seller. Excuse me, what is the price? Excuse me,
What is?
the price.
It is $50. It
Is?
$50. I will take tomatoes.
I will take tomatoes. Yes, very good price.
Yes, very good price. That is cheap.
That is cheap. We also need onions.
We also need onions. My bag is heavy.
My bag is heavy.
I will help you.
I will help you. Where is the fruit shop?
Where is the fruit shop?
It is next to this.
It is next to this.
I want bananas.
I want bananas.
Take the fresh ones.
Take the fresh ones.
Ah.
We are done now.
We are done now.
Let's go home.
Let go home. Today was fun.
Today was fun.